Hey, what's happening, guys? Elton McFall here, aka Retro Old School, with the other finished project that I actually kind of forgot to tack on to the last video of said painting that I inadvertently sold to Pat, which is right there, right, which I finished a few days ago. And yeah, so I don't know, maybe it was a month ago or more, probably more. I did an unboxing of this kit that I bought in a lot from a guy in Ville Saint Laurent quite a few years ago. I think this was during COVID, actually. And I thought to myself, well, since I'm painting this and painting that, I'm like, why not do something that's easy peasy and won't take long to put together. Boy, this thing is so light, it's like a feather. And I'm like, yeah, why not do this Lindberg 132 scale Ford Convertible here. And I had this leftover spray paint. You might recognize that I used for my 57 Meteor Rideau model, which was really a Fairlane model. And beautiful paint. It's called Painter's Touch. Really excellent quality paint. But what's funny about this kit is that, well, for one thing, the box. It's a nice box and everything. This is a reissue. This kit is originally, this is from 2006. This kit is originally from, I think, the 50s probably. It's so old. And anyway, well, for one thing, the one thing I didn't like about it was that the box, see, I cut it. I actually cut it because what happened was that I kept all my parts in here, right? As I was assembling this, which there's not very many. That's why I decided to build this, because it was easy to do. Oh, here's my next project. Oh. But the thing is that because this box, the top part was hinged on here, so it flipped over a couple of times. So I actually lost one of the headlight bezels. One of the headlight bezels, I actually lost it twice. And imagine I found it sweeping the floor the second time. And what's also interesting about this model, it's so simple that the body is actually in 4 pieces. So the fenders are with the frame, right? Okay. And this, the hood and I think the trunk and the windshield are together. Or sorry, yeah, the windshield and the hood are together. And then this is separate here, which actually glued off well there. But you can see it sticks out over here. Oops, didn't glue very well over here. Taillights are part of the body. What's interesting also is that not all the chrome you see, I had to use a chrome marker, actually. There's no chrome pieces included. And on top of that, the wheels, I've never seen this before, just how, to show you how ancient this kit is. The wheels are actually all one piece. The hubcap, the rim, the tires, that's all one piece. But they're built separately, so the wheels, the back part, come apart. So you can see the seam right there where my finger is. Yeah, I know you can barely see it, but anyway. So again, it's a pretty clear cut and dry model. It was fun to make. The stupid steering wheel's not sitting properly. It's not sitting level because the steering column was missing. So that was the only thing missing. I left the steering original body color just as a clear. But it's funny. I love this model the way it looks even more from the rear. That's what's funny. And because the front, I don't know, it's a little bit off, like the angle of the windshield, the vent windows, even the grill, I had to actually chrome it with a chrome marker. And yeah, but it's a neat little model. I'm happy to have made it. I'm happy to show it to you guys. Like I said, this is my next project. This one I got from my friend Brian Davey a few years ago in a lot. We did a trade, we did a sale, and this will be the 4th 58 Chevy that I make. So that's about it, guys. I think I'm going to upload this right now, actually. So thanks for watching. Take care. All the best. And be well and take care of yourselves and be nice to one another, right? Because there's enough negativity in the world. We know who's driving it south of the border. Thanks. Take care. Bye. Oh, and I'll give you a little quick update with my Greyhound bus model there. How's that going? You wanted me to do a painting, eh? Don't hesitate to give me a shout there. Even if it's a $100 painting for a little 9x12, I'll do pretty much whatever you want. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.